So hello students, today we are going to discuss about the expansion in gases. Before this, we have studied expansion in solid and expansion in liquid. All of them are happening because of the heat. So here I am going to tell you expansion in gases. So firstly we will compare them, solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid, gas. In solid, the particles, the molecules are closely packed to each other. You can see there is very little space, or there is no space in between them, like this. In liquid, there is little more space. But in gases, the space between the particles or the molecules is much more in comparison to liquid or solid. So, when solid was heated at high temperature, then it began to expand. Liquid heated in the same temperature, but it expanded more in comparison to solid. Now, if we come to the gas, at the same temperature, if the same temperature is given to the gas, it will expand much more than the liquid and solid. For example, just take a beaker, fill a water in that, and after filling a water in that, suppose that it is a beaker, water is filled here, put a small fine tube in that and covered with a bottle, empty bottle. Make it a note, make it remarking that this bottle will be empty bottle. Empty bottle. So after doing this, you will get nothing into it. Your water is filled, you will get nothing into it. But after some time, you have to rub your hand. You just have to rub your hand, and at the time of rubbing your hand, you will feel some heat into that. And after feeling heat into this, when you touch this bottle from both the corners, both sides, when you touch it, you will find that there are some bubbles in this beaker. You will find the bubbles. So what does it show? This bottle was empty, but the air was filled in it. If anything is empty, air is already filled into that. The object will be occupied by air. And as we have rubbed our hand, we got some heat. And because of that, when we touched the bottle from both corners, the bottle also got heat. And after getting the heat into the bottle, the air is heated, and because of that heating, the air began to expand, and it tries to come out of the bottle. And there is only single way, that is going through the tube, and there in the water you will see the bubbles. So this activity is showing how the expansion occurs in gases. Now after that, I will tell you, in this solid the expansion is very least. Means the expansion will be very less in solid, and in gases the expansion will be very high. So what we have found, if the molecules are less closely packed, then expansion will be higher because of heat, and if the molecules are tightly packed, closely packed, the expansion will be very less. Okay, I hope all the types of expansion is understood to you. Okay.